Today's tutorial is all about garment embellishment. We'll be creating a sophisticated diamond border that works beautifully on cuffs, hems, or waistlines. I'm using a beautiful green cotton fabric, already secured in my hoop. To get our layout perfect, I'm using a plastic mesh placed at a 45-degree angle. With my white heat erasable pen, I'm marking 3 lines of dots to form a diamond grid. We'll mark 2 full rows of these diamonds. The beauty of this is that you can make this border as long as your project needs. For our threads, we have pink and light beige. I'm starting with the beige and separating the strands to use exactly 4. Using 4 strands is the sweet spot for this project. It's thick enough to show great texture and definition, but not so bulky that it loses the delicate diamond shape. I've also set up my hoop stand today. If you haven't tried one, I highly recommend it. It keeps your work steady and frees up both hands, making the stitching much more comfortable and fluid. Let's start with the herringbone stitch. We follow our dots from left to right, then reverse the process coming back from right to left. As those lines cross, you'll see those beautiful diamond shapes emerge. Don't hold your needle too tight. Find your own natural rhythm. Embroidery should be a relaxing escape. If you feel rushed, take a little break, enjoy the quiet, and come back when you're ready. Now that the first pass is complete, I'm working my way back from right to left, stitching upward to mirror the previous line and complete our diamond shapes. It's a very relaxing process once you find your rhythm, and it's a fantastic way to personalize your wardrobe. Once the first row is done, we repeat the exact same process for the second line. Now let's add some color. I've threaded my needle with pink floss and I'm weaving it through our beige lines from left to right. I'm using a tapestry needle here because its blunt tip is perfect for weaving. It won't split your beige threads or get stuck in the fabric, making the weaving process much faster and more satisfying. To customize your look, try monochromatic threads for a subtle, high-end texture, or switch to metallic gold for the weaving to add a festive, luxury finish to your garment. Look at how much more prominent and 3D the design becomes. I'll turn the hoop 180 degrees to weave the second line comfortably. To finish with a touch of luxury, we're adding maroon beads right between our two stitch lines. I sew them on from left to right, then this is important. I run the thread back through the beads a second time to ensure they are perfectly secured and won't sag. Now I'll just go back through the beads one more time from right to left. This second pass is my secret for a neat, durable finish that holds up beautifully on any garment. This elegant border is incredibly versatile. Try it on cuffs and necklines for a delicate touch, or along a waistline to act as a beautiful custom-stitched belt for your dress. hope this elegant diamond border inspires you to add a touch of hand-stitched luxury to your next dressmaking project. Remember, there's no need to hurry. Enjoy the quiet rhythm of each stitch and watch your garment transform into a unique piece of art.